Welcome to our channel. If you need to add a payment method to your Google Play account for purchasing apps and content, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Launch the Google Play Store application on your Android smartphone or tablet from your home screen or app drawer. Step 2. Tap on your profile icon, which displays your account picture or initial, located in the top right corner of the Google Play Store interface. Step 3. In the menu that appears, select Payments and Subscriptions to access your payment settings and subscription management options. Step 4. Tap on Payment Methods to view all currently saved payment options linked to your Google account. Step 5. Scroll to the bottom of the payment methods list and tap the Add Payment Method button to initiate the process of adding a new payment option. Step 6. Select your preferred payment type from the available choices, which may include credit or debit card, PayPal, Google Play gift cards, or mobile carrier billing. Step 7. Complete the required fields with your payment information, including card number, expiration date, security code, and billing address details. Step 8. Review all entered information for accuracy, then tap Save to securely store your payment method. This method will now be available for all Google Play purchases. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.